Yo, what's up, everybody? Hope y'all been doing well. Everybody's doing good. Getting ready for the end of year holiday season and all that chaos, craziness that usually tends to come with it. Hope it's gonna be a good, maybe not so crazy year for you all. Anyways, basically wanted to just shoot this video out. I don't know, this past couple of days I've been playing with fucking Sora AI like crazy. I don't know, mostly just for dumb shit, having fun, making stupid videos, posting them. I posted a couple to the YouTube channel and my other social media accounts, just to throw them out there. I thought they were hilarious. I was sharing with everybody else, just to get a laugh at or whatever. And so I don't know, I thought it'd be pretty good to just maybe do a quick how-to video for it. The people I have showed videos to, it's been a pretty mixed response, but for the most part, like laughing to it or whatever. I do have a couple of family members that thought it was like real videos I was sending and shit. It was pretty funny to watch too. But anyways, the tool's been out for a minute, and originally I think it was only available on iPhones. Slowly released to Android, and it was like an invite only thing at first, which I was able to, one of my coworkers just shot me an invite, and I was where I started playing around with it. I think it's available to everybody now, but I think you do need a ChatGPT account because it is part of ChatGPT OpenAI. So if you probably want to get one created, I don't think you need the paid for one, or if it gives you really any benefits, specifically with Sora having a paid for account. But you do need a ChatGPT account. So just jump right in. I just thought for anybody wanting to learn how to use it, because like I said, I've had a lot of amazed faces, like, whoa, what is that? But it doesn't seem like really anybody gets how it works or anything like that. So again, just wanted to throw this quick tutorial out for y'all. Let me share my shit here. But basically, you want to go to sora.chatgpt.com. And again, since I already have a ChatGPT account, I've already been playing around with this. This is gonna automatically log me in to the front page. When you don't have an account, you won't have this option here to be able to start creating your own prompts. You'll have like a login button up here, and that's where you can there's an option to try it, or go create an account or log in if you already do have a ChatGPT account, but just hadn't logged in for some reason. So yeah, this is basically the front end of Sora. There's also an app on your smartphones, Apple, Android. There's a Sora app on your phone. It is pretty easy to use. I've done a lot of my creations and uploads through there, but for the sake of sharing, I've done a few on the website as well, but for the sake of sharing, the website is pretty easy too. It's essentially the same shit. There's a prompt, you tell it what you want, and it'll create the story for you. There's a couple that I've done myself of just dumb shit, like me turning into a cartoon, me being a Star Wars character, but it kind of looks like a video game. Different shit, like
Japanese promo and
talking Pokemon with Macho Man, or even my band at the Red Rocks. So yeah, it's kind of the different things you can do with AI. I haven't found a super business ready use case for it, although I have done a few to create motivational shorts, things to remind you to keep going, stay consistent, motivational type of stuff that I've also done for a little side channel, just to see how that maybe gets any traction. I'm big on the whole self-motivation and getting yourself up and pushing yourself to do shit, follow the stuff that that you come up with in your head and want to pursue. But even me myself, I need a reminder and a little mental push sometimes to hey, get off your ass, go do it, put the controller down. And not that there's anything wrong with video games and all that, right? I love that shit, but it's the reminder to, hey, you also got some work to do, if you really want to do some of this that you keep thinking about. So anyways, yeah, here back at the interface. It's pretty easy. It's really whatever you want, whatever you can think of. I think that's the big thing when I try to show people about AI. It's a tool. You don't have to be a freaking computer whiz to know how to use it. You literally talk to it the way you think about stuff, or the way you talk to other people. So in my case, I've just created a lot of dumb videos. You can do something like this is like, hey, write me a video to remind people to stay consistent, to get up in the morning, you know, realize every day is a blessed one, that you're awake. Every day that you're awake is a blessed one. Be grateful, be thankful, but also get out there and do if you really want to make shit happen for you. You literally would just type stuff like that in and it would spit me out a video. One thing to know, so when you do first set up the app, or if you get it through your phone, one thing you can prompt it, or it'll prompt you to do, is the way I have it to get my faces and stuff. It'll basically just do a quick scan of your face. You say a couple of like a couple numbers that it'll, you know, spit out on the screen, and that's kind of all it takes to it. There are options so that random people can't just cameo you and things like that. You can turn that off in the settings. I believe if you go to settings here, you can, you know, turn out some of that stuff off so people can't just be sharing you in videos. But hey, some are a little less, you know, carefree, or, you know, and we'll have that turned on. I've seen a lot of people throwing up videos with Snoop Dogg, and I guess he's kind of calmed down a little bit, but yesterday it was blowing up with like Snoop Dogg. Oh, there he is. And he's got a personal account himself, and but a lot of people have just been getting crazy doing a lot of stuff with him. But anyways, just give a few examples out there. You know, something you can easily do if you want to do. Once you do create your you know, let it profile you and capture you. If you want to make videos with yourself in it, or, you know, hosted, what you would do is you would @ yourself, because you basically create a tag when you create the account. All right, so basically, yeah, I don't know, I was having some weirdness every time I hit a space. It was kind of pausing my video because some of my hotkeys or whatever. So here's the prompt. I put @Ray Ruins is giving a master class on soraai AI to millions of YouTube influencers watching live online across the world. Nothing too crazy. If we want to, you could give it more details. I've seen some people go crazy with some prompts, like writing a whole story, and it, again, like it's getting real involved for a 9-second video. So it's as involved as you want it to be. So I'll keep it simple with this, and let's go ahead and you gotta give it some time to generate. While it's generating, we can go ahead and take a look at some of the other prompts that people have been giving for their videos. And then once it does generate, though, you get a draft response, and you can change your prompt to like give it like more of a post-like vibe. So not everybody's description is going to be exactly what they commented, but you can kind of tell what some people are. Kind of just putting that into the video or into the prompt, and that's what they're getting. So like, we look at this guy with the saxophone here, we click on it, you just see epic ... sax, and this is what this thing put out right now. I don't know if that's exactly what they put in, or they could have just once they're ready to post, they just changed up the description to fit that. Click on this, double tap to stop, 3 in a row, big win. That's the prompt that this person may have put in to get this. That's the video they got, right? Like, this guy just camoed, but he probably might have deleted the description for his actual video, or, you know, again. So I'll give you, and I'll show you once my video prompts. Once it's ready to go, I can show you what I mean by that. But yeah, this is just a lot of this is just silly videos. Could be promotional. It could be, again, it's more funny than anything. I'm sure as this gets a little more developed, people are able to start doing like longer videos, and it has like more. Yeah, because it's not perfect either. There's some weirdnesses, like voices can be off or whatever. So like I said, I'm sure there'll be a lot of improvements to come with it that'll like expand the use cases for it. Right now, I see this more as just like as a fun thing. You do have a little status right there where you see one of the progresses on your video, but you can come back and you'll see the drafts as well that you have in play there. So yeah, I'll go ahead and fast forward this so video went ahead and finished. It took only a couple minutes, maybe like 6-7 minutes. I don't know. I walked away for a bit, but It did not take that long. Got a notification on my phone even, because I have the Sora AI app. And so yeah, you saw the prompt I gave it. This is the video it spit out. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Welcome everyone around the world. I'm Ruin, and this is our live masterclass on Sora AI, the creative co-pilot trusted by millions of makers. Let me show you why. Right here, I can type drone shot of a sailboat at welcome everyone around the world.
See?
I'm Ruin, and this is our live masterclass.
And then you see the draft, it shows the prompt. Right, you can change it to whatever you want. The edit button.
This is our live masterclass on Sora AI.
I don't know. I'm kind of happy with the way it is, and something I just I don't mind showing the prompt sometimes. So I'll probably just go ahead and post it as is like that.
And this is our live masterclass on Sora AI, the creative co-pilot.
And it's as simple as that. Now your video is posted. You can come to the main page here. You might see it. You might want to refresh. I don't know. I might be cool enough to come up here in this front page. I might not. But either way, you'll see it as part of your main page. So yeah, that pretty simple. It's just like talking to ChatGPT basically, but this actually spits out the videos for you. You'd go in mind that you want a video, right? It's not like ChatGPT that can do all this other stuff for you. But anyways, that's again, folks, that's pretty much it. I thought it was fun. I think it's a fun tool to kill a little bit of time or play around with, or just joke around with your coworkers, send dumb videos up or whatever. Again, I just wanted to share that with y'all, and hopefully y'all enjoyed. Hopefully this was helpful. If you want to see other videos like about how to use other tools like AI tools like ChatGPT, hit a like, subscribe, leave a comment, something. Give me, throw a little shout out, and I can definitely do that for you too. But anyways, thanks guys. Talk to y'all later.